Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Everyday condiments are something we all need, and so are the ones for cocktail bars. Simple syrup is probably the most used, but I went a step further by creating cranberry simple syrup as well as cherry. Now, let's add another one. Blueberry simple syrups. Super easy to make. This is a great condiment to use in drink as well as in recipes. So let's get cooking. In a saucepan, we'll add fresh blueberries, followed by water and granulated sugar, plus some freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll turn the heat on medium-high and bring the mixture to a soft boil, stirring often until the sugar is dissolved. We'll reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer gently for 15 minutes, breaking the blueberries with either the tip of a wooden spoon or better, a potato masher. This will help to release their juices and add more flavor to the syrup. When time is up, we'll remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool for 10 minutes before pouring the mixture through a fine sieve sitting over a large bowl or measuring cup. Now, using a spatula or a spoon, we'll press down to extract as much liquid as possible and then discard the pulp. We don't need it. We'll transfer to a glass jar and let it cool off before storing it in the fridge. As you saw in this video, it's a lovely recipe to make while blueberries are in season. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for more info, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!